Hi everyone, it's me, Teresa Mckelvey with Yarn Shop Around the Corner, and I always say good morning because I mostly shoot these in the morning. But whenever you watch this, I hope that you are having a lovely time, a lovely day, a lovely afternoon or evening. I'm always excited to come to the yarn shop first thing in the morning. I don't know, there's just something that as soon as I park across the street and look over here, I start getting excited. And so I hope that never wears off. I love having a yarn shop. I love the community we are building with each other, and I just really enjoy being in this space, and I hope that it is inviting to all of you and that all of you enjoy when you come in. So I have new yarn. Okay, so I don't mean to sound so giddy and cheesy about it, but I just get excited. It's like Christmas morning every time a box shows up, and so I have the newest. Every 3 months or so, I get a taste pack from Wonderland, and so that gives me 5 hanks of yarn, and so this one is. It is so pretty. Let me get all my stuff in front of me. Okay, it's Wonderland Yarns, Cheshire Cat. Sorry. It's a light fingering weight, 512 yarns, 512 yards. It's 4 ounces, 100% superwash merino, and it's called Camelot. And let me take my glasses off. But look at this array of colors. It's just, I know you know the word I'm going to say because it literally is gorgeous. And there you can kind of see it's a light fingering weight. All right, so not only then it comes with your metal enamel pin, your Camelot, but then I printed out this. It is not as pretty on your screen as it is in person, but it is called the Queen Guinevere. By Deborah Simon. It says, there is little in legend to suggest that Queen Guinevere fought alongside Arthur. But if she had, her chainmail would likely have been both feminine and strong. This chainmail wrap's outer links border an ample amount of interwoven lace rings that will complement any outfit. Look at that. So that takes 1 hank of this with these absolutely beautiful colors. It's just a beautiful knit pattern. I mean, gorgeous. I hope it's not too close so you can't see. So I have 5 of these. So I wanted to show you about this. They're gorgeous. They're in the shop. They're called Camelot. I mean, they really are, and they're all pretty much. Let me show you, because sometimes it can look. Oh, look at this. This has got hints of green in it. You can see some. Ooh, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Anyway, so I have these. I mean, that's 512 yards. That's beautiful, wonderful. So I have 5 of these. Want to let you know about that. And this is the whole pattern. So if you come in, you get the enamel, the pattern, and the hank of yarn. Not too bad. Okay, so I wanted to show you my Teresa Mckelvey doll. It is so cute. So Brandy Patterson has her own amigurumi. Some of you didn't realize how big it is. She's a big girl. I mean, look at this. Oh, if only my hair was that beautiful. Oh my gosh. And Nicole helped her with making me a little drop stitch scarf because it's so cute. But look at the detail on her. I mean, she is just adorable. I can't stop grinning, and I giggle every time I see her because she just makes me laugh. She just makes me so happy because I know this took Brandy so much time to do, and she did it out of the kindness of her heart and surprised me with it, and it just has tickled me to death. And so my friend Anya, who has Ophelia Talks Crochet that I talk a lot about on this channel, on YouTube, Ophelia Talks Crochet, she's a YouTube, oh look, she's even got her crochet hook. Just in case you didn't see that, she's got her crochet hook. Anyway, one of her patrons, or one of her subscribers, made her a doll that looked like her. And they even then started making scarves and things that she makes on her channel for the doll too. So anyway, it just tickled me because I was like, It's just the cutest thing. You don't realize how much something like this means to you until someone makes it for you, and then you realize, I didn't even know this was missing in my life. It just makes me smile. So you can order these. You can order one for your granddaughter, your grandson. She will make it. I wanted you to see how big it is. I mean, it's huge and it's adorable. And you could tailor your own colors, you know, if you wanted. Like, she even gave her blue eyes. Look at that. So, you know, tailor to your own colors. Anyway, so Brandy Patterson, just let us know through the shop and we will hook you up with her, but she will custom order and make these dolls for you. Okay, so with that being said, I have one more thing to talk to you about. So I'm going to try to say this in a way that doesn't sound like I'm bragging, because I'm not, but I am bragging on certain people and the shop. Okay, I took the sock knitting class, and if you follow me at all, if you know me at all, you know that I'm not really a knitter. But I feel pretty proud to tell you I'm considering myself a knitter now. I mean, because of this class, I have been able, and now these are not the prettiest socks you've ever seen, but they are to me. I am so tickled, and I have had to put them on my sock form just because I wanted to make sure they really, you know, wait, that my heel really looks like a heel, and, you know, that it's really looking like a sock. And I'm just tickled as could be. Yes, they're not perfect. They're, you know, Teresa mistakes in them, but I went from barely being able to knit. You know, I could knit as long as I had my tutorial right in front of me, constantly referring to it. I went from that to being able to, you know, knit a sock. And look at that, not only one, but two. See, I could pull this down because I did my heel yesterday, following my video. And that's another thing I want to say about these classes. Not only do you get all the materials, and I'm going to be honest, I usually give you even more. I believe give you all the tools and then some to do stuff. So when you take a class, a workshop with us, you get all the materials, all your needles, you get a little extra to do it, but then you also have, we have the capability to go to Zazzoo's, which allows us to spread out. Then we have a projector. So the instructor's hands are right there underneath the camera, so it's right there so everyone can see, no matter how far away you are from the instructor. And then the instructor will get up and come to you individually. We usually have enough helpers and instructors that you really get one-on-one help. And so then, not only that, all this is included in your price. Not only that, but during the week we have a message board. So if a question comes up, or if you get lost, or you have, you know, something, you can put it on there, and we each other help each other. And not only that, then we make a video. And so when you're done with the class, when you go home, you have a video to reference at any time of the exact instructions of how to do it, of someone actually performing it and doing it. And I say, I don't know if other yarn shops do this or not. I have no idea. I'm just in it, and we're doing it, and I'm surrounded by so many talented, wonderful people who are so excited that there's a yarn shop, and they're giving of their gifts, they're giving of their expertise, they're giving of their time, and we're able to do this, and I'm honored. I just feel so like this is pretty professional, but this is just so much value that the yarn shop itself is offering to you. And I say to you and to me because I'm, you know, a participant in this class, and I love being able to see what you're actually getting, what we're giving to you, and how then I could kind of tailor classes a little bit more, say, okay, that was too much, or this wasn't enough, or okay, that was good. And so experiencing it on this level has shown me how great this is. I cannot say it enough. So if you are interested in any of the workshops, I highly recommend them. I really do feel like we're giving you a great value, a great entertainment, and a great fun and skill. Because I went from not being able to do, I mean, I know my sock is not perfect, but I'm gonna wear these. and I'm just tickled to death. And not only that, okay, so I started, these are on a US 8. Then, oh, I don't have it over here. Can't believe that. I've already started on a size 2, you know, for thinner yarn socks. So we start you at a place that we know that we can show you and help you, and then you can go from there and actually learn to knit. So anyway, I say that to remind you, we have the yarn dyeing workshop, which we've already shot the video for, and so that has just got me so excited. This really is a class for anyone who is interested in crafting. You do not have to be a crocheter or a knitter, because I'll tell you what, if you take the class and you come in here and you take your yarn that looks like this, you bring in an apron and a crock pot. You don't even have to have the apron, but a crock pot, pot holders, a tongue, and an apron. Yeah, that's pretty much, we're going to provide some of that. But if you just bring your crock pot, you're going to be able to take this yarn that's just like this, and you say, you know what, I love blues. You can make, now I don't have an example of one that's just blue, but here's some purple, some pink. There's a light blue. Look at the speckled. You can make that, okay? You can make your yarn basically like the Wonderland Yarn are showing you. I mean, this was a hand dyer, you know, so they took yarn and dyed it to make it look like this. Okay, you could do that yourself. Then you could come into the shop, use my knitting machine, and make your own scarf, make your own hat that is uniquely yours. You dyed the yarn and you made a project. And so I just highly recommend that you could even get to the point where you're dyeing your own yarn and making your own socks. I mean, we could teach you that. But go to the website, theyarnshoparoundthecorner.com, sign up for the class. That's the best way to do it, because I can't really hold classes, hold spots and all that. That has a counter, and it only lets you buy, you know, a seat if there's one available. And so go purchase your class, and it'll be almost 3 hours of instruction, I think, and it's on a Saturday afternoon. I think it's April the 2nd at 1:30 to 3:30, and it's just, or 1 to 3, I can't remember the exact time we're stopping, but it's going to be a lot of fun. And then you'll get the video afterwards as well, and you know, you'll have yarn, and we provide everything. So I want you to make sure you get a hold of, you know, get to sign up for that class, because, and if you can't and you're not available on that day, let me know, and we'll schedule another class, because I really think that this is something you'll have a lot of fun at. And Ashley is a very, just like Laura, just like Nicole, they're very talented at explaining things and making it fun and making it clear and direct, and it's just easy to follow instructions. So I want you to not miss out on that class. Okay, now I'm done with that. I don't know if you've spotted these cute little bucket hats. These are from Sharon. Oh goodness, I think it's Lola. I'm so sorry, Sharon. I don't have your card in front of me. But I will put her information in the bottom of this video. But she, you could come in here to the shop and get you their cotton. They're so cute. I might try one on. So they're cute little bucket hats for the summer. I mean, look at that. If you're going to be going down the river in a kayak, this thing can fall off in the water, and you just take it up, wring it out, and put it back on. If you're going to be on the river on a boat, if you're going to be on the lake, I mean, this is just the cutest little thing. If you're going to church, I remember the back of the day when we used to wear hats to church for Easter. It was so cute. I mean, people probably still do, but look at this cute little hat. So anyway, she has several in the shop, and so come in and check them out. They're very cute. I just love, look at this. I don't know if you see. So anyway, they've got some bucket hats for summer. I think that's all I have for you today. I know I talked a lot about a lot. But anyway, new yarn. Teresa doing her hair. New yarn. Order yourself a little me doll. I mean, you can call it whatever you want. A little mini me doll. I just love this little picture dress. Order yourself this. Sign up for the sock knitting. Sign up for the yarn dyeing class. Take a look at all of our workshops. You know, we're doing yarn spinning in May. That's going to be fun. And so many things you're going to get with that, even lunch. So, you know, these workshops are going to be a lot of fun. I hope you all have a great day. I hope I get to see you in the shop soon. And thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.